I am the unicorn. When I was in college, my friend used to call me the wise unicorn. So from now on, whenever I send advice, I always end it with saith the unicorn, but you guys don't care. Today, we are talking about the I Do Care Space Kitten Exfoliating Galactic Black Peel-Off Mask. I just want to say how much I appreciate the pun I do care. I think you're really great. And also they made a cute little face out of the thing. Oh my god. But basically this is one of those charcoal masks, but this one has blue glitter in it. But apparently that's not the only thing that's really cool about it.
Apparently it is formulated with topaz, diamond powder, charcoal, and wish hazel, all of which are made to gently exfoliate the skin, visibly brighten, get rid of oil and impurities.
But to be honest with it, the reason why I was excited is because it's black with blue glitter in it. How majestic is that?
Watch as it shimmers in the light.
I'm gonna be using this kind of silicone pad to try it on my face. This is a first impression,
and we're just gonna go to town.
It's said to apply an adequate layer, and that is one of the biggest pet peeves I have with Korean skincare. They're like, put enough, and I'm like, what is that? So I just put like a thick-ish layer all over my face because I did want the glitter to show, because I'm like, if we're working on aesthetics, then we should worry about aesthetics. So I put it all over my face. I'm sure you could use this for spot treatment if there's any place that you wanted to take care of specifically. And then I'm going to slather it on and wait about 30 minutes. But look at this sexy. Look at this sexy. Is it too much for you? I know it is. Look at the glitter, the glimmer in the light. Watch me steal your man looking like a unicorn. My lips dry as hell. Anyway, so I'm gonna wait 30 minutes, come back. Now the question of, does it hurt? Yes, it hurts. It hurts a lot. I've found that all of these kind of peel off charcoal masks hurt so bad. This one no more than others that I've tried, but yes, it hurts. Why? Because it's peeling out all your blackhead, all your whitehead, all your hair, everything on your face. I'm essentially getting a full face wax. And guess what? It doesn't feel good. So I was moving my face to try to loosen it up, but I'm a thug, so I just go for it full on. I don't do that slow-ish. All you do is say a little prayer and go for it. Oh! Now, but you can see how pretty and glowy that is. Does the glitter add anything? I don't know, but it does give you something to look at. But my face is super smooth. I'm gonna go wash it off, and then look at my baby soft skin. It's toned, it's tight, a little dry, but I have dry skin, so that's to be expected. This does have me feeling very clarified before I put on my other skincare, so I'm with it. So if you want to try it out, I'll put the link down in the description box, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.